Hello friends, my name is Pradyuman and welcome to my channel VMware NSX Cloud, where I share step-by-step videos for VMware portfolio products. If you like what I shared in this video, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe because it helps me to grow the channel and so that I can continue to create quality content for you. In my previous series, How to Set Up Home Lab Step-by-Step Guides, we have covered creation of nested data center with shared storage and vSAN. In this series, I am going to cover step-by-step deployment of VMware Cloud Foundation version 4.3. In this video, I am going to install ESXi host and configure it for VMware Cloud Foundation management domain. You would find detailed steps on my website www.vmwarensxcloud.com. For production environment, you need to install physical host. However, in my lab, I am performing these actions on nested ESXi. So let's start building the ESXi. We need minimum 4 hosts to start management domain bring up. And be aware that you cannot do bring up using more than 4 hosts. If you need more hosts in your management domain, then you need to add them in the cluster after completing management domain bring up. Let's start with creation of nested ESXi using the required build version as per bill of material. I am assigning 8 vCPUs and 32 GB RAM to each host. Along with, I will add total 4 hard disks. For vSAN configuration, in nested environment, we are connecting NIC card to nested trunk port group. But in production, please connect uplink to a trunk switch port. Open VMRC console and boot VM with the correct build number ISO and let the installer load. Once installer is loaded, start installation by following wizard. Verify that the IP assigned to this host is not used anywhere by pinging it. It's time to configure host IP configuration. Log into ESXi using browser for performing rest of the configuration related to VMware Cloud Foundation. It involves assigning same VLAN ID to default VM network which is assigned to management network, assigning domain name to TCP/IP stack, setting NTP on ESXi, setting service startup policy for SSH and NTP to start and stop with host, SSH to ESXi and run few commands to full hypervisor. Set virtual disk assigned to nested ESXi as SSD. These commands are different from previous versions of ESXi as now we use HPP instead of NMP for multipathing plugin. Please be aware this step is only needed for nested environment. Now regenerate the certificate and restart the host. Once reboot is complete, validate certificate has correct FQDN on it or not. This was it for this video. In my next video, we will deploy Cloud Builder appliance. Please feel free to leave feedback or suggestion in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe.